Hello, my fellow crafters. This is Heather with CraftableAddiction.com. In this video, I'm going to share with you an easy way I found to help keep my yarn and labels neat and organized. It's a simple crocheted strap, but it's made in such a way that the strap can be nice and stretchy if you need it to be. This way, it can be used on a small bit of leftover yarn or on a large amount of yarn. You can see I'm already using one of these yarn organizers for the yarn I'll be using in this video. I'll be using Lion Brand yarn, Comfy Cotton Blend, and the color is Chai Latte. This is a size 3 yarn, and I'll be using a size H 5mm crochet hook. You can make these with any sized scrap bits of yarn you have. If you visit my blog, I give recommendations on what sized hook to use for different sized yarn to make these. So don't forget to check that out. I have the link down below in the description. So to make these, we're going to start with a chain 7 foundation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. And double crochet in each chain across all the way to the end. And that's going to leave us with a total of 5 double crochets, counting that first chain 3. Oh, that one's a bit tight, that first chain I made. Okay, there we go, our 5 double crochets, including that chain 3. Then we're going to go ahead and chain 1, turn, and single crochet into that first stitch. And then we're going to chain 3. We're going to skip 3 chains and single crochet into the last chain. Now chain 3 and turn. Now we're going to double crochet around the chain 3 space, and we're going to do that 3 times. There's 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to double crochet into the last chain. All right, and we're just going to keep repeating those last 2 rows until you have a length of 17 inches. You could certainly make these longer or shorter. I just found 17 inches to work best for me, but I'd recommend that your last row be a repeat of row 2, the one with the chain 3 in the middle. So go ahead and pause this video until you reach 17 inches, or however long you decide you'd like to make these. Okay, here we are at about 17 inches of length. It doesn't need to be perfect. As you can see, the last row I did was a repeat of row 2, the one with the chain 3 in the middle. Go ahead and cut your yarn, leave a couple of inches of length for weaving in those ends, and fasten off. We're going to attach a button to the strap and the double crochet in the center of the first row we made. That'll be the 3rd double crochet counting from either direction. And once you're done with that, you're ready to go ahead and weave in your ends. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much for crafting with me. Happy crafting, and I'll see you next time.